25 and then 20. Dito pala ka, oy. Ipalo-palo mi pala ka, oy. I don't go up. What the heck is that noise? Good morning, baby. How are you, baby? Yes. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, baby. Hello, miti ka na. Miti. Ay, nako. He knows it's me. He's looking at the screen and then look at me. He knows it's me. Oh, you're so smart. Iba dito, guys. Parang nanibago na ba? Hi, good morning. Why is it open?
The mom in the microwave, so I keep it separate. You gotta put it in the microwave.
So what time you came down here? Huh?
5:30.
Time to make omelette. Omelette. Love you.
You've been out 6 times already.
Come here, Rob.
Clean up your omelet.
Yeah.
Can you eat it?
I'll do it, hon. No pancake. Omelette. My nose area here, it's really dry, guys. Look, I forgot to bring my moisturizer, hon. Tapos na ako nag-edit. Mag-insert na lang ako ng shout out later. And Sammy is working also today. Oh, sobrang dry talaga, guys. That's what happened, guys. They're trying to jump. Roxy! Always try to jump in there. Thank you. Yes, you. I'm talking about you, Rox. I'm talking about you. Oh, guys, did you see a cat over there, guys? That right there, it's a cat in the railing. Look, walking in the back of our neighbor. That's what Roxy's trying to get. That's why she go crazy jumping over there to get the cat. Look at Roxy. The gardener hand is always... I told him not to put over there, and they start putting it. The grass is in the back. Yeah, wala siyang SPF, fragrance free. There's no SPF in it, guys. Walang SPF, guys. Body. No, there's no face. Hirap maghanap ay. Royal. Ito yung gamit ko ngayon, guys. On this one, Neutrogena, guys. It says with sunscreen SPF 25. But tignan nyo, guys. 25 bucks. Mahal naman. 25% off. Magkano na lang yan? 25. And then
This is the only one I see with SPF.
Cetaphil is good.
That's the only one I see that has SPF in it.
Yeah, but this is kinda small though. Is this moisturizer? Yeah. But over there is...
Oh, this is a facial moisturizer, this too.
How much is that?
Sunscreen.
There's no sale in it? Like...
No, it's 18. So $7.50 is 25%.
Because I need to repair my face. Look at that. Triple edge repair. So, thankfully...
It's for old people. Hey, hon, you can have a skin tag removed. You take a little scissor and...
No, I think this is because I never use SPF anymore for 2 years, 3 years already.
Yeah, skin tag is a part of aging.
It's part of aging?
Yeah.
I can't accept that.
You gotta cut them off. They don't just disappear.
So this is the Neutrogena, and then with the sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 25. It's kind of expensive though. It's 25 bucks, and did it 25% off, and it's 19 bucks.
Well, it's 25% off. It should have been $17.50. So, some reason why it didn't come out. I just had to do that.
I'm really bullying it, guys. I don't even wash my face this morning because if I wash my face, I don't have sunscreen. I don't bring it, so it's gonna more dry. Even I don't wash my face this morning, it's still dry. I'm using this one for the daytime if I'm going out or gardening or you know, or be under the sun in the porch like that. But nighttime I will use the Pond's because try to open this what it looks like because it seems like it's a small,
it's like a little jar.
Oh, it's a jar thing. Look, it's a nice packaging. Oh, look at this, how pretty is the packaging, guys. A mirror. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells good, guys. Look, maliit lang siya, guys. It's kinda small inside. Looks big, the jar. It's kinda not big, but good size for this kind. But when you open it, seems like the inside thing, it's like coat. It's like
1.7 ounces. That's it.
Yeah.
Less than 2 ounces.
Hello, guys. I am just putting ready Tommy's salad to bring to work, and then right now I am cutting the chicken, like he did barbecue yesterday, last night and yesterday afternoon, and he barbecued a lot of chicken, and then so he want chicken on his salad, so I'm cutting chicken right now to put in the salad. He left, guys. He went to work. I'll see him Monday afternoon because they are going over there after dialysis here. Kapuya, eh. It's so hot already. And oh, I just carry the big box of paper stuff, me and Tommy. I have to bring everything slowly in my house. So I just bring that one. So now I decided to have some humbi. At itong mga aso, itong aso na to, parang asan si Roxy? Asan yung anak kong gwapa? Ay, nandito pala. Oy, nandito pala ka, oy. Ipalo-palo, may palaka, oy. Inako na palaka ni mama, oy. May palaka. They kinda know we are leaving soon. They know that, so you knew it. Anyway, nagba-vacuum lang ako dito, guys. Nililinis ko tong kitchen at saka bina-vacuum ko yung sahig, at I did mopping also because it's so dirty. So I mopped it and then throw some garbage out, and yeah, that's it and nothing else. Sobrang init dito, guys, as in iwan ko lang kung paano ito mag-adjust tong matandang to dito. It's been a long time that I haven't eaten yung mais, the corn, not corn in the cob, corn na ipakita ko picture dito, guys, picture. Yung mais ba na kanin. Guys, do you remember that when you kind of pulling your eyes, pag napupuwing kayo yung eyes nyo, if it's something in your eyes that bothers you, the Filipino thing, I don't know, I'd never see anybody do that here in the US, like American people. Sarap ng broccoli wrap. Do like this. Kind of roll your eyes everywhere and do that to make it, you know, to make it tagak-tagak. Pero ginawa ko yun, guys. I did that the other day with Tommy. And then Tommy kind of like, what are you doing? And I said, there's something on my eyes, I want it. And then I said, I was doing like this, guys. And then he kind of like looking at me. He was looking at me and he said, oh, I'm dizzy just looking at you doing that. It makes him dizzy. I do like this. And then I roll my eyes, roll. And then he kind of like, he get dizzy just looking at me. And I said, what? You're weird. I said, why do that? Because it's something in my eyes. Now it's gone. Is that really going to help? Yeah, sometimes. And most of the time it helps really. And I was getting this broccoli rub. These two women look getting the other broccoli. I said, I think this is the broccoli rub because it's a different look from that one. So I said, what are you guys looking? I said, no, we're looking for broccoli rub. I said, this is the broccoli rub over here. Kinda doesn't even know that's the broccoli rub, but they are like choosing which one is those two. It's a different one, a kale and something. Obviously they don't cook or they don't know what's vegetables. Tignan niyo ako, guys. At saka may cellphone pa dito. Because I went upstairs. Naglilinis ako ng CR kasi yung CR sobrang dumi. Iba talaga no, pag lalaki lang ang maano iwan. Nakakaano. Sobrang dumi. So yun, nililinis ko lang. At saka I scrub the tub. So kaya ganito yung suot ko. Yung pantalon ko, inaano ko, pinataas. Ba't hindi kayo matutulog? You go to sleep? You can go to sleep. We're gonna go later. Come here. Alis na rin kami, guys. Punta na kami. Come here. Balik na kami doon sa bahay. Come here. Okay, pinawiwi ang pipi ko lang sila kasi para hindi sila mag-ano sa sasakyan. Hindi sila kumain. Yung langgam. Ano? Yung langgam. Laklak, tignan niyo. Hindi nga lumipad. Hindi lumipad. Oh! Hindi lumipad. Yeah, she pee-pee. That's why. Hi guys, we are home. The dogs are happy here. For some reason, they're happy here. Like Roxy is like go to the yard and jumping over here. What are you doing, Rox? Roxy? Yes, Roxy. No. You're digging in there already. Let me see. Roxy now. Right here, look. Right here. Right here. Okay. Come, Roxy, look. Oh. Roxy, look. Roxy. Ay, nakagamit na rin sa camera. Kasi naka-charge. I-charge ko na ito. Anyway. Oh, Roxy. Roxy! You're not listening. You don't listen. Huh? You don't listen. Look, pinaspasan niya, guys. Pinaspasan. Binilisan mo. Binilasan mong kainin para hindi ko makuha. Hey. Okay, enough na. Okay guys, that's it. I need to wash my hand. It's cooked for like 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes. Rice cook really fast if you're using, rice usually cook really fast, so you don't have to worry if you're cooking rice. I'm really good with cooking rice even though using that bamboo. Yeah. You know where I learned that though? We live in the forest but we never really use bamboo. You know where I learned that? In the school. At ano ba yung sa school guys tawag doon? Ano yung sa school guys na yung mga students nagko-cooking? Nutrition month. You guys have that nutrition month. I love nutrition month, guys. Oh my god, it's just like crazy. The thing is, in nutrition month, I remember a group. It's a group. For example, in the classroom, you have like 3 groups, not just like the whole classroom. It's a by group. That's what I remember in elementary. And then you bring everything, whatever you can bring. Like if you usually you do farming, you do farm. So you bring some rice, or you bring some corn, or you bring eggplant, anything, vegetables, fruits, anything, and you put it together, and you have a plant what you're going to cook, and you buy it like bihon mostly, like, you know, mongo and stuff like that. And ginataang ano ba to? Oy, ginataang jackfruit. Yung jackfruit, ginataan yung hindi hinugha yung hilaw pa. So, jackfruit and then ginataan with dried fish or sardines. Yeah, I remember that, guys.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young.
Hi guys, insert shout out. Ganito pa rin ang suot ko gahapon, shout out. Hindi pa rin ako nagbibihis, guys. Anyway guys, shout out to Agnes and Bino Diamsay. Hi, this is from Jill Imperial. Hi guys, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Jinlyn Ocampo. Hi Jinlyn Ocampo, thank you for watching. Auntie daw siya ni Misha Balius, and ang auntie niya is si Rose from Europe. Hi guys, thank you for watching. Saka shout out kay Annalyn Gabor at saka sa pamangkin niyang si Ili. Hi, belated happy birthday, Ili. And also shout out to It's Me Chunabo. That's her. She have a YouTube channel. That's her YouTube channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Si Chuna at saka si Tim. Congratulations! Bagong kasal daw sila. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! If you wanna subaybay sa live ko dito, please subscribe. And thank you guys so much. If you like the video, guys, hit the like button. Click the like button, and if you like the video, you can share it also. You can share my video if you want, and I appreciate it. If you share my video, I do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hi guys, hindi pa ako sumasaka sa taas. I'm not even upstairs yet. I don't go up. The heck is that noise? The heck? I hear a fucking noise. I'm not upstairs yet because I let the dog out, but Roxy pee, Misty not, so I'm gonna go let Misty out again if maybe she will pee. Roxy is a good girl. She pee. Anyway, I just hung up with Tommy. Tommy's already almost home in the other house, not here. But yeah, so I'm gonna end this vlog, guys. It's already 10:30. Well, actually, it's not 10:30. It's 10:23 in the evening. And so, yeah. So, kita-kits, guys. I haven't edited any video yet. And I will do that tomorrow. Anyway, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye! Good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye. Bye! Okay, so I will see you here. Okay, don't stay long there, baby. Bye.